Good afternoon, my name's Paul from Mobility at Sea. And this afternoon we're going to look at one of your wheelchairs that may have become misaligned and how to fix it. First thing you do is put the chair on its back so that you can see the problem under the chair. And the problem that you will see is this part of the chair or this part of the chair has gone forward over the two rivets. Might be one side, it might be the other side. To rectify this problem, you will need a nylon hammer, very similar to this, or something similar, so you don't damage the chair. And what you need to do is you need to knock that down, and at the same time, you'll need to knock those down, bringing the chair back into alignment. It might be these two and this one, or it might be this one and these two. Depends on which side is misaligned. Once the chair is lined, as you can see here, this side of the rivets, chair can come back to normal, back up by it, and you can use the chair.